Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest Dogecoin news for September 18, 2025. Dogecoin is once again in the spotlight, trading around 0.28 as ETF hypes grow and whales continue to accumulate massive amount of Doge. But the big question is, will Dogecoin finally break the 0.30 barrier and heads towards 0.45 or even $1? We are about to see a correction also. Let's find out what is happening actually in Dogecoin. This is the current technical chart of Dogecoin. As of today, Dogecoin is priced near 0.28 with intraday highs around 0.284 and lows around near 0.26. The weekly performance show a solid rally, as you can see in last just 7 days. You can see 12% increment in Dogecoin price in last 7 days, because this happened due to the attention of both retail and institutional investor before the confirmations of a Dogecoin ETF. They are buying at the lower level. So as you can see in the chart, the resistance level is around 0.30, okay, and the support is around 0.25. So the price is oscillating in between of these two barriers. One is the resistance and one is the support, and it is currently trading at 0.28. If the volume comes and Dogecoin ETF news confirm, the price may shoot up and can test this level 0.34. If the huge volume comes, it will definitely come, as the news of Dogecoin ETF is circulating and creating so much of buzz and hype. Everyone is talking about Dogecoin ETF is the begin trading in just in next 24 hours. So there are some kinds of hype, some kind of news, and the community belongs to Dogecoin is so much positive, so much enthusiastic. Okay, so they are supporting from their own end how to accumulate, how to attract as much as of audience via this particular social media platform like Twitter, X, and other types of social media platform. They are creating some kind of buzz around the whole Dogecoin community. So this campaign is resulting in the price of Dogecoin. The price can touch the resistance of 30. If it is failed, it can will pull back around 0.25. Okay, so both scenario is possible, but from this point of view, the Dogecoin price will not fall below 0.25. As you can see, three supports, okay, three times the price after hitting the 30 level, 30-cent level, they are pulling back to 0.25 in this candle, also in this candle, and also in this candle, but not further below this level. Okay, so it is indicating that 0.25 is a good support where the whales are accumulating. As you can see, in just last 1 month, Dogecoin bargain hunters snap up 680 million Dogecoin, because they are able to bargain. They are waiting for the correction. Now as the price touch 0.25 level, they accumulate huge amount of Dogecoin. 680 million Dogecoin has been bought by the investors. So one of the biggest catalysts for this rally is the ongoing speculation around a potential Dogecoin spot ETF in the United States. The SEC has recently updated rules paving the way for crypto spot and other Bitcoins and Ethereum. Dogecoin could be next in line. Okay, if approved, this could allow traditional investors and institutions to give exposure to Dogecoin without having to directly buy and store it. That's massive development, because institutional demand has historically driven huge price surge in crypto market. This ETF speculation is what's keeping Dogecoin bullish, and some analysts believe it could act as the gateway for Dogecoin to reclaim the spot as the top meme coin. Okay, so the whales accumulation, as you can see in this chart also, or in this news also, another strong factor is whales activity. Report shows that, as you can see in this particular report, The recent price dip, okay, after touching the level of 30, now the price also touch at this level in just last 2 or 3 days, okay. So the large investor snap up around nearly 680 million Doge in a single wave of accumulation. This tells us that the big players are positioning themselves for a potential breakout. Typically, when whales accumulate, it creates a supply shock. Fewer coins are available on exchange, which support upward price pressure. However, at the same time, there is a counter trend. Some long holders are moving Dogecoin okay, back to the exchange, possibly preparing to sell. That's created a kind of war between buyers and seller. So there are some kind of risk and rewards and challenges also there. ETF uncertainty. If the SEC delay or reject the Dogecoin ETF, the hype could fade quickly. It can also be possible. Exchange inflows. Whenever large amount of Doge are transferred to exchange, it usually signal potential sell off. Resistance level is also happening at this current level of between 28 and 30 cents. There is also a resistance level. Macro factors like as you can see, the interest rate, fed rates, okay, regulation and broader crypto sentiment will all influence Dogecoin price to coming weeks, okay. So this month and after this month, October is also very special for Dogecoin and whole crypto also. If the ETF momentum continue and whales keep accumulating, Dogecoin could easily push past 0.30 in the short term, with a midterm target of around 0.45 also in long term, within next 2 or 3 months or in the end of this year. If institutional money flows in and retail hype return, Dogecoin could retest its all-time high, and yes, the dream of $1 Dogecoin in 2025 is still alive. But cautious is key. Short-term traders could watch support and resistance levels closely, and long-term holders should prepare for volatility also. So there you have it. Dogecoin is heating up again, driven by ETF hype, whales buying, but risks remain. What do you think? Will Dogecoin break past 0.30 or heads towards the $1 mark? Or will it face another correction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our daily crypto updates. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.